Hey Best Fiends fans, my name is Megan and I am from the YouTube channel Insomniac Stream. Today's video we're going to be creating a face paint of Summertime Bow as well as having a little bit of an eyeshadow look to go with it. So if you want to see how to do this for yourself, then just keep watching. First thing I did for the eyes was take a white eye pencil and apply it all over and then just blended it out with my finger. And then for the eyeshadow, I used a white and 2 shades of blue. First applying the white all over where we had just laid down the eye pencil. This will just help brighten the white and make it a lot more vibrant. And then I took the lighter blue and started applying this to the crease and blending it out with a fluffy brush, and then followed that with the more deep cobalt blue. And then once the dark blue was blended out in the crease, I went ahead and also added it to the inner and outer corners of the eye and patted the color on directly to the areas I wanted it to be the darkest. I made sure to apply the same cobalt blue to my lower lash line, threw on some mascara, and if you're feeling a little bit extra, you can also throw on a pair of lashes. But then that is it for the eyes. Jumping into creating Summertime Bow, I did start with a white aqua color, which just means it is a water-activated face paint. I start with the white because it's much more forgiving so that you can kind of sketch out the shapes of where you need everything to be, and if you need to change stuff, it's a lot easier to do in this stage. I mapped out the shape of the flamingo pool toy that he sits on, as well as the circular oval shape that Bow has as his base. And then I went ahead and also filled in the whites of his eyes and along the top of his forehead. You can also take this time to fill in his little fangs and map out the rest of his mouth shape. For Bow's body, I did use a light and dark blue aqua color. First starting with the light blue and filling in all the areas that make up the main portion of his body around the mouth and just leading up to the sections along the forehead. And then the separation point between the white and the blue, I did go in with the dark blue and make his little markings. I made sure to touch up any white areas that needed it, as well as filled in the rest of the dark blue markings on the forehead, as well as his little, I'm going to call them ears, but the little features that pop up off the top of his head, as well as the ones that make up his tail. For Bow's tongue, I did go straight in with a red aqua color paint and just filled in the shape that sticks out in his concept art. And then for the other area, just add a little bit of black in with the red to deepen the rest of the mouth. And then with that black, I also went ahead and used this for lining the rest of the mouth around the tongue and making sure the features pop out more. And then I also used it to start filling in the pupils of his eyes. I find the easiest way to do this is to make a dot first with your brush and then slowly build it up so you can get to the size of pupil that you are looking for. The black also helps to outline the eyes, and then you also want to add just a little dot of white to the pupils to make them a little bit more dynamic. And then moving into the awesome pool toy, I went ahead and took a light pink aqua color and started filling in the body shape of the flamingo. You essentially just want to create an S shape for the neck and then have it meet up with the little donut shape of the base. And then you want to also add in the white circle for where his eye will be, as well as fill in the beak with a yellow and black, just to make sure you have all the features down. Then after adding the pupil to the eye, I went ahead and used the black to outline the rest of the flamingo and Bow as well. I also left a little bit of room just for the little inflator spout on the end of the pool toy, which I had just forgotten, so I made sure to leave a little bit of room to add that in. And then the final steps were to take the white again and highlight all around the pool toy as well as Bow, just to really make it stand out as well as look shiny, since the pool toy absolutely would be shiny. And that is it for a successfully brought to life Summertime Bow paint. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel, as well as leave a thumbs up, like, comment, all that good stuff. Especially if you want to see more, please let us know which characters you would like to see brought to life. If you'd like to see some more makeup fun, please feel free to check me out at Insomniac Stream. That is it for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.